Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This 6-foot outdoor patio umbrella was exactly the size umbrella we needed. We have a very small patio area that really couldn't accommodate a standard size, and it's compatible with our existing table and the base that we had. I love that the color is really so neutral, so it coordinated well with our current cushions. And if we decide to change our cushions in the future, it's still going to match. The crank handle moves easily to raise and lower the umbrella, and it can be adjusted depending on the angle of the sun. And the material is nice and strong. It has nice stitching to hold the corners securely. This 6-foot outdoor patio umbrella keeps us shaded so nicely when we're sitting at our small little patio. It makes it so nice for us to sit outside and enjoy the outdoors. And that's my point of view.